looking at the green box on the Scanpro3000 and some of the things that you can do with this. Now we're going to start off by having already loaded a copy of this magazine, and you can move the green box around as you need to. And notice that the image is a little bit off kilter. And over here on the left, these are the places where you can make some adjustments. So we go to Adjust and Auto Straighten. There we go. And then you can just move that box around as you need to. Make it bigger or smaller. And here's the nifty thing. If you right-click on the box, you can actually control it and eliminate certain sections so that if you didn't want the 4-piston valve solo model for whatever reason, you have something against it, you don't have to add it to your copied or scanned area. Now, we can't get crazy, no circles, no triangles, but you can eliminate, and again, that was with the right click of the mouse. Now, what happens here is if you go to Output, and you can just go ahead and scan to the drive, and it has been scanned. I'm going to go ahead and take us to the desktop where you'll see My Scans, and under here, you will see what this looks like, just like that, and that tuba that you did not like is not with it. So there you go. The green box, it gives you all the control that you need for your scanning area.